we have Andrew with his bike. Okay, so what are the parts to this bike, Andrew?
Well, I got a premium duo frame. I'm not gonna paint it. I'm getting a new Cardinal Ambassador heat treated frame. Here I have Flybikes cranks. I got these Odyssey twisted pedals, pretty nice. Here at the front I have a DK race front wheel and the Odyssey path tire. For my back tire, I have the Odyssey, the quadrant, the hazard light, and for the tire, I have the Primo Comet. Let me flip it over here. Ignore the sticker. They're not Odyssey bars. They're actually Fit Sky Highs. Just change the sticker on them. Here I have the Coalition V2 Pova stem. It's pretty good. Like it. Hauled out everywhere. Here I have the Cane Creek integrated headset. Odyssey CS2 race forks. They're pretty good. The Eastern Medusa Light V2 chain wheel. It's good.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
The Cam C710 SL chain. It's good. I think it's 25/9 gearing ratio.
I'll say this bike is about worth 2 in the bush.
Really?